Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. When using the QGroundControl ground station, some users may encounter the following problem. Even after setting the connection parameters in the ground station, the flight controller still won't connect. This situation is actually quite common. One of the most easily overlooked reasons is a mismatch in the baud rate between the flight controller and the transmitter or telemetry module. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly check and fix this issue. First, we need to check the current telemetry interface baud rate of the flight controller. Connect the flight controller to a computer using a USB cable. Then open Mission Planner. In Mission Planner, select the corresponding serial port and connect to the flight controller. Once connected, go to the parameter settings page and open the full parameter list. In the parameter list, we need to locate the parameters for the telemetry interface. Most flight controllers connect to telemetry modules via telem interfaces, such as telem 1 or telem 2. Here we'll use the common telem 1 interface as an example. In the search box, type serial 1 to filter all related parameters. The most important one is serial 1 baud, which indicates the current communication baud rate of the telem 1 interface. For example, here we can see the flight controller's baud rate is set to 115,200. Next, we need to check the communication settings of the transmitter or telemetry module to confirm its current baud rate. If the transmitter's baud rate is 57,600, it means the flight controller and transmitter are using different communication speeds. When the baud rates don't match, the data cannot be correctly interpreted, which causes the ground station to fail to connect to the flight controller. The solution is simple. Just make the baud rates consistent on both sides. Method 1. Change the transmitter or telemetry module's baud rate to 115,200. Matching the flight controller's current setting. Method 2. Change the flight controller's serial 1 baud parameter to 57600, matching the transmitter's baud rate. After making the changes, remember to save the parameters and reconnect the devices. Once the flight controller and transmitter share the same baud rate, return to QGroundControl. The ground station should automatically detect the flight controller and establish a successful connection. If you encounter connection issues while using a drone ground station, first check the communication port, baud rate and telemetry interface settings. Many problems originate from these basic parameters. If this video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more tutorials and technical guides for drones. See you in the next video.